Now in this video I am going to explain you about the numericals. For example, here acceleration of a particle executing SHM. You can see here acceleration of the particle executing SHM is alpha equals to minus 4x, where x is displacement. You can denote the displacement as x as well as y. It's clear. If the SHM is occurring along the y-axis, then we denote the displacement by y. And when SHM is occurring along x-axis, we denote it by x. It is clear. Similarly, equation of the SHM, it can be in the sine or it can be in the cos also. It can be sine omega t plus phi, it is clear, or it may be cos omega t plus phi. But as you know that sine can be converted into cos can be converted into sine. In class 10th you have already studied that sine 90 plus theta. 90 means pi by 2 plus theta equals to cos theta. So all these things you know. So displacement can also be denoted by x, but formula will remain same. So see here. Here the first question is alpha equals to minus 4x. You have to find the what will be the time period of oscillation. So you can see here what will be the time period of oscillation. So if we see here what is y x equals to minus 4x. It is clear. X equals to alpha equals to minus 4x. Acceleration alpha equals to minus 4x. It is clear. Now you compare this from alpha equals to minus omega square. You have studied the formula omega square y, but now in place of y we will take x. We will take x. It is clear. Compare by this. So on comparing by this, what will you get? Omega square. Omega square equals to 4. So omega equals to 2 radian per second. But here we have to determine time period of oxidation. So time period of oxidation 2 pi by omega. So when you will substitute 2 pi means 3.14. Omega is 2. So this is 3.14 second. Is clear? This is the first question. Now see the second question. Now if we see here second question, displacement and acceleration of the particle executing SHM, means displacement is given 4 centimeter and acceleration is given 16 centimeter per second square. You have to find the time period t. It is clear. So you can see here, if we see here, displacement is given 4 centimeter. This is question number 2. Y equals to 4 centimeter and alpha equals to 16 centimeter per second square. Per second square. You have to determine time period of oscillation. Now what is the relation between alpha and y? So you know alpha equals to omega square y. Numerically relation is this. Here minus sign, about minus sign already I have told that, minus sign which is kept here, already I have told that it signifies that alpha and y both are in opposite direction. So minus sign in calculations we will not keep. So 16 equals to omega square into 4. So what will be omega square? It will be 4, means omega equals to 2 radian per second. And when omega equals to 2 radian per second, so what will be t? 2 pi by omega. You substitute 2 into 3.14 upon 2. That is 3.14 second. It is clear. This is the second. Now you can see here. You can see the third question. Here, amplitude of the particle executing SHM, means A is given. Amplitude is denoted by what symbol? Amplitude is denoted by the symbol A. A is given 2 centimeter. If the magnitude of velocity and acceleration are equal at displacement 1 centimeter from the mean position, means in the question it is said that when y equals to 1 centimeter, then displacement and velocity and acceleration both are equal. So you have to find the time period of acceleration. It is clear. What is given? A is given 2 centimeter. And when y equals to 1 centimeter, v and alpha both are same. So you can see here. Now here A equals to, this is question number 3. A equals to 1 centimeter. A equals to 2 centimeter, not 1 centimeter. And y equals to 1 centimeter. Now velocity and alpha both are same. What is the formula of velocity? You just write the formula. Omega equals to root of a square minus y square equals to omega square y. It is clear. There is no need to place the minus sign. Now you substitute the value. So omega 1 power will be cancelled. Now substitute the value. What is a square? A is given 2 centimeters, so 2 square means 4 minus y square is what? 1 square. 1 square means 1 equals to omega into y is how much? 1. So when you will simplify it, root 3 equals to omega. Means omega comes out root 3 radian per second. So what will be t? Already I told 2 pi by omega, means it will be 2 pi by root 3 second. This will be the omega. It is clear. Now you see the next question. Next question, if you see here, question number 4. Here, if the amplitude and time period of the particle of mass 0.8 kg, mass is given 0.8 kg. It is clear. Amplitude and time period are 1 meter and 11 by 7 second. Amplitude means A is 1 meter and time period T equals to 11 by 7 second. You have to find the velocity and kinetic energy of particle at 0.6 meter, means when the particle is 0.6 meter from mean position. When value of y is this, you have to find what? Velocity and kinetic energy. So see here, all of you see. Question number 4. Here it is given, mass is given 0.8 kg. First you write down all the things which are given in the question. And amplitude is given 1 meter. Time period is given 11 by 7 second. And when y equals to 0.6 meter, you have to find v and then kinetic energy k. It is clear. So see here, how will you find? So first, by using the formula of t, we will find out the omega. See here, t equals to 2 pi by omega. So from here, omega equals to 2 pi by t. Substitute the value. Omega equals to 2 into here, since it is in 11 upon 7, so we will write pi 22 upon 7. It is clear. इतना तो guess कर लेते हैं ना. So see here, it will be 22 upon 7 divided by t is in denominator. When you will write this in denominator, it will invert and multiply. Means 11 and 7 will be here. So 7 and 7 cancel. 11 2 ja 22. Means it is 4 radian per second. Omega equals to 4 radian per second. Now what is the formula of V? So you already know V equals to omega root of a square minus y square. Now in this formula all the values are given. Omega is this, a is this, and y is this. You substitute. So omega equals to 4 a square 1 square minus 0.6 square. So when you will simplify, 1 minus 0.36, that is 4, this is 0.64, that is 4 into 0.8. So V equals to 3.2 meter per second. V equals to 3.2 meter per second. After that, kinetic energy, so you can use the formula simply this k equals, because already you have determined the V. So we will use this formula. 1 upon 2, m is given 0.8 and V is given 3.2, the whole square. So that you can do calculation, you can do, it comes out 4.1 joule. It's clear. So this is the question number 4. Now all of you see next question, question number 5. What is the question number 5? So all these questions are directly formula based. Now restoring force acting on a particle of mass 1 kg, m equals to this. Executing SHM is this. Now what is the formula of restoring force? F equals to minus m omega square y. F equals to m into alpha, so it will come out this, where F is in Newton and y is in meter. If velocity of the particle at the mean position, as we already know, velocity of the particle at the mean position, it is maximum and it is equal to a omega. Here we will take a in capital. So because in chapter we have taken amplitude capital A omega. This is given 10 meter per second square. It's clear. Find the amplitude of oscillation. So see here, From this value we will find from this formula, because this is given minus 100y, mass is already given, we will get the value of omega, and that value of omega when placed here we will get the amplitude. So you can see here in question number 5, if you see m equals to 1 kg, restoring force, it is given, what is the formula, minus m omega square y equals to minus 100y, and v max equals to a omega, which is given 10 meter per second. Now you have to solve. So see here, by using this, what is m? M is 1 omega square into y equals to minus 100y. Here in formula it is minus. So y and y cancel. So omega square equals to 100. So what will be omega? 10 radian per second. Now you use this V max. So a omega equals to 10. So a into 10 equals to, so what is a here? A equals to 1 meter. Amplitude comes out to be 1 meter. So today we will do only this much. Then remaining question we will take in the next video.